All right, good morning. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, 2019. We're shooting this video for Greg up in Missouri. My name is Scott. You've been speaking with a gentleman named Chris. We are here at North Texas Equipment. This is the 2011 International with the 60-foot reach Terex boom with material handler on it. Truck has a looks like a two-man bucket on it. Does have hydraulic attachments on the boom. Truck is very clean compared to the trucks we normally carry. This would be one of the nicer ones. Obviously it still is a 8-year-old truck or so, but that's the purpose of this video, is to walk around and show you the cosmetic imperfections, and then obviously we're going to start it up and let you listen to it run, and we'll operate the hydraulics as well. So coming around the front of the truck here, the fiberglass hood's in good shape. It does have some scratches and dings and things. The truck has not been repainted. The tires are in very good shape. These tires, I know they've got mud in them, but they're 75% or so. Aluminum tank. The doors, you can see some decal residue. But I can actually even see myself in the door, so there's quite a bit of shine still left in it. Coming around the utility bed, does have a little crease there on that door. It still opens and closes fine. Just normal wear and tear on the bed. Boom is in very good shape as well. Diamond plate floor in the bed. This truck does have 4 outriggers. You see a little bit more just cosmetic imperfections on the utility doors. Has a heavy-duty pintle style hitch in the rear. Step up on the left side of the platform bumper. Grounding cable. Your outrigger controls are back there, and then it even has quick connect tool connections back here on the rear as well. So coming around the driver's side bed, actually a little cleaner than the passenger side. No, just minor chips and dings and things. Tires are in excellent shape. Those are probably 80% or better. Coming around here, the driver's door is in good shape. Show you the driver's side of the boom. Material handler up there. We'll operate that here in just a minute. Undercarriage is nice and clean. Front bumper, grill, windshield, no issues or anything. I'm going to have Chris go ahead and start the truck now. You can listen to it run. The International Turbo Diesel there. DT series. Now we're going to engage the PTO, and we'll go ahead and operate the hydraulics. Chris will put the outriggers down, and then he'll fly the boom. So I'll step back here so you can see that in action. Bringing that front passenger side outrigger down first. Rear outrigger. It's going to be a hot day here in North Texas. Probably be a little over 100 degrees here today. Already feeling it. It's about 9:30 and it already is plenty warm. Raising up the upper boom there. Auto leveling bucket, of course. This is an insulated boom, electrically insulated. Raising the lower boom now. And then I'll get on the other side and he will show us the material handler working as well. Truck's obviously operating at low idle. Boom still has good speed. That's a good sign that the hydraulic pump is in good shape. Anytime you have a truck that has to go to high idle in order to operate the boom much, it's usually a sign of a weak hydraulic pump, or a hydraulic pump that really isn't high flow enough for the boom. Dropping the material handler line there. I don't know if you can see that coming down, trying to move in. All right, now he's bringing that in. Then he'll go ahead and raise up the boom here and rotate it around so you can see that that function works as well. Got it straight up there, maxed out. Now he's rotating the boom. The boom is rotating very smooth and quiet. No popping, no binding, no odd noises or anything. That is the one function on a bucket truck, a used bucket truck, you always want to check. The rotational feature is typically the most expensive item to repair on a boom truck. So this one has been well maintained, and really that just means normal lubrication on a regular basis. So I'll show you the interior of the truck while he's bringing everything down. Allison automatic. Interior is in very good shape. Take a look at the video. Let us know if you have any questions. You can reach Chris at 817-889-1035. You can reach myself, Scott, at 972-765-7819. Walk around the truck here and just show you everything else while he's bringing it down. can arrange shipping anywhere in the world, typically at prices that you can't match anywhere, or we'll be glad to pick you up at the airport if you wanted to fly in and drive it back, you know, or whatever works best for you. Just give Chris a call after you see the video. Let him know if you'd like to see anything else, if you have any other questions or concerns, and then let us know if you'd like a shipping quote. We'll get that for you as well. So now he's going to drive off in the truck. You'll be able to see that it does run and drive. It's hopping up in the cab there. Good running truck. So like I said, that truck would be representative of the nicer trucks that we carry. It's been well cared for and obviously in pretty darn good cosmetic shape and excellent mechanical shape. So give us a call and let us know if you need anything. My number's here on this window. Again, it's 972-765-7819, or you can reach Chris at 817-889-1035. Thanks.